Okay, so Galaxy Watch 8 Classic comes with this kind of strap. I just discovered that the strap actually comes off, I mean the pin, and then you can use your own without waiting for a third party adapter. So you just take it off. It's a bit of a struggle, but let's have a look and see if I can get it down here. Come on, you can do it. Come on, just come off for me. Like this. Let's see. Oh, man, this is difficult. The other one was so easy to take off. Let's try it in a different way now. There we go. So just like that, comes off. Put your own strap. And voila. Superb.